Come. Am I getting proper light? Come here. I want to tell something. The customer has called me and told that he is not coming. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to ride a customer as Rapido rider. So I'm ready with bag, I got helmet and all these things, and I got registered myself in Rapido. You can see I got a booking right now. So what I'm gonna do, I got a call, so I need to answer that call, and I'm going towards the customer. So stay with me and let's move. Come on. I'm going to let my customer know that I'm here, chat with customer. I have a right. Now, maybe I can call him once. Let me talk to him. Yes, Mr. Chakravarti, I'm at your place. Hello? हाँ बोल रहे हैं कि मैं CA231 के सामने हूँ. अराइव हो गया मैं.
ठीक है, हम नहीं जाएंगे, दूसरा एक लड़का जाएगा, उसको बोल रहा है आपको कॉल करना है.
Okay, alright. Come. Am I getting proper light? Come here, I want to tell something. The customer has called me and told that he is not coming. A different boy is coming. If he is drunk, I'm not gonna get him on this bike. But if he's not drunk, I'm gonna take a helmet and I'm gonna get him wear. We'll just move on. Alright, so stay connected. Let's see what happens. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you very much. Stay connected. I need a helmet right now, you know. Oh my god, I got it. If I wear it like this, it doesn't look good. Why are you standing over there? Let me show you my team. You can understand. He's also with me. They are watching me. Like, I'm shooting this video to let you know, to my viewers, that what I'm doing. And then he make a light on his face so that he has told you hi. Now I want you to show your own face. Let me give me that camera so that I can. This is the cameraman is doing the camera. You can see that. So, oh my gosh, we are moving towards the ride of Ola. I'm sorry, Rapido. Hello? I'm CA 232 এর সামনে. আপনি কোথায়? ঠিক আছে, দাঁড়ান আসছি. We have to go. The signal is not green yet, but it's night time, so we can see here. We can see. You cannot violate the signals. No, I'm not violating the signals. I'm just waiting here to make sure no car is coming so that we can move forward. Where is the destiny? Korea. Oh, look how the cars are going. So I'm going to get this thing right. I don't know. 7574. I got it. Now I'm confirming the OTP to go. And stuff.
Is it confirmed?
It's in Belgachia Metro Station. We are heading towards them. So, please have a seat. All right. Application, it's showing me the limit, like the speeds, how I'm driving. It's showing here, it's 4 km right now, it was 40 km. If I am going more than 60 km, the Rapido application gives me a warning that do not rush, okay? Some stuck in signal. I've told this bro that to subscribe my channel. Say something, bro. Say hi bolo. Yeah, that's the matter, man. Let's move, this thing is on. He's asking me for extra money because we came here, but it's not like that, dude. That the amount has been already, the Rapido system already took the amount, calculated like how much, how far I have driven. Oh my god, that is a real problem. তাহলে হাতে হচ্ছে তোমার কত? তুমি আমায় এবার 10 টাকা কেন দিলে? 5 টাকা দিয়েছো। ওইতে 2 টাকা দিলে। 60 টাকা, তাহলে তোমার 45 হলো। তুমি 2 টাকা পাবে না। আছে তো হুম। Thank you. Lovely meeting you. টাটা। একদম টাটা। He is telling me টাটা। ওকে টাটা বলো। হ্যাঁ, viewers। আসলাম। হ্যাঁ, একদম গুড নাইট। I got money. হ্যাঁ আমি তোমাকে কত দিলাম? দিলে বলো 105 দিলাম। 105 দিয়েছো? হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে। Where is the calculator? I have a calculator? I think yes. তুমি আমায় দিয়েছো 105। 105 আমি তোমায় দিয়েছি? আচ্ছা -62 কত ভাড়া হয়েছে? Yes man. আচ্ছা কাল দিয়ে ঘুমাইনি না, সে কাজ করে আসছি টানা। কি কাজ করো? ক্যামেরাম্যানের কাজ করো। কোথায়? মানে বিয়ে বাড়ি ফিয়ে বাড়ি? বাহ অসাধারণ। ফটোগ্রাফি করো? হ্যাঁ আমাদের পুরো সেটআপ টিম আছে তো। Now I got up, আমি কালকে তোমারে কাজ দেব। God knows who gets connected from where. You take my phone and take his number. I have his number. Why are you so much worried about it? Okay. Your number is তোমার নাম্বার হচ্ছে 9674 দিয়ে না এইটা 872620 তোমার নাম বলো। অভি।
You got a pro cameraman, right?
Yes. আমি কালকেই কল করব। I am trying to spare some moment with my friends right now so that in future, like whenever you will be trying to write some Rapido or something, you can understand how this happens. So I got one customer who is not gonna pay me money. He's on sitting on this Avenger. So guys, let's go to the next ride.